Welcome to day 12 of 100 days of automation. Today we are going to look at how to collect Twitter followers and following of any account automatically. So let's see how it works. I'll go to Craftar and then this is how our automation looks like. I'll click on publish. I'll publish now. Now our automation is live. I'll copy my API key. Now I'll go to Craftar's Twitter. So here we have 2 following and 335 followers. I'll just go to 2 following. So first let's just get the following. So I'll click on Craftar's Chrome extension over here on the top right. I'll choose an action, extract Twitter followers. I'll enter my API key and set time to scroll 2 seconds and then run automation. So once I do that, we can see the percentage. It says 100%. So now if I go to my Airtable, we can see that we have 2 people following here. These are their bios, their user ID, user names, user links to their Twitter, their profile pics, their mentions, what time did I actually crawl this data, all the nouns and verbs that they used, and so on. Now let's just extract our followers, which is more data, so it will be more interesting. So now I'll again click on my Chrome extension. I'll choose extract Twitter followers as my action. I'll give my API key and this time I'll set the time between each scroll to 1 second. So what this does is after every 1 second it will scroll the page. By default, Twitter doesn't load all your followers, it loads it over time. So it'll do that automation for us. I'll now click on run automation and we can see that every 1 second it is scrolling the page, and once it reaches the end of the page, that is when it will send that data to Airtable. Now we can see that it's almost done, and as soon as it's done, we'll see the data show up in Airtable. So I can go to my Airtable now and we can see that data has started coming in batches, and over here we can see how much percentage of the data has been sent. Now it's almost 98% and we have 100%. So all of our data has been sent to Airtable and we can see that we have a total of 337 records. So 2 of them are following and 335 are followers. Awesome. So we have all our data. Now we can try to see and extract some patterns and analyze who's actually following Craftar. So we can see all of their bios. We can see their hashtags that they've used. So this will give me a good idea and I can use this to segment my user base. I can look at mentions. I can also look at nouns that everybody has used, what adjectives they've used. And I can go ahead and look at their URLs, check out their websites, and also like what organizations they've mentioned in their profile. So we can do a lot with this data, and that's pretty much the automation. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.